How to check live view in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to check the live view in Google Maps, first of all make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Then make a long press on Google Maps application over here and then tap on App Info. Here just make sure that you tap on the app permissions over here just to make sure you have given access to the location, because you would need your current location access. After that, simply tap on the Google Maps application and search for the location. I have already pinned the location. Now this process or this feature of live view is possible only in terms of your walking view. So if you're walking, tap on the walking version, and here you'll be able to see there's no option over here. There's option of add stops and share, but there's no option of live view. So tap on the settings icon and still there's no other option. So we're going to check if we have an updated version of the Google Maps over here. So just launch the Play Store application and then tap on Google Maps over here and just tap on it, and as you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Google Maps but the feature of live view is not allowed. So that is still not an accessible feature for us. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.